Welcome to Becoming a Cook. I don't know about you, but Thanksgiving has kind of snuck up on me. But we've still got 6 days, which means you've got plenty of time to get it together and get your turkey together. I was talking with my friend Jen, who cuts my hair, just the other day, and for the first time, she's going to be the one who cooks her turkey. But she's a little frustrated. She said she'd never had a turkey that wasn't dry. And as we talked about it, I found out that she always stuffs her turkey, and I said, you know, that sucks the moisture out of your turkey and puts it in the stuffing. So the stuffing's great, but the turkey's dry. And she's like, what? So she's not going to stuff her turkey this year. I also told her that brining a turkey is the best way to keep it moist. If you're trying to work on your Thanksgiving, let me help you. I've got a planning video so that you can figure out your timeline and your countdown to get everything done. I've got a video on how to make the best gravy of your life, and it involves a sacrificial turkey. Watch the video and you'll see what that means. And I've got a video on brining and roasting a turkey. Jen said, you know, can you get this process down to 2 days? I think you can get it down to 2 days. If you brine, you'll need a third day, but it won't take you that long. And here's the best thing. There's a fourth video that we're going to add to the playlist that we recorded last year. It's my post-Thanksgiving turkey gumbo. You can take the carcass and the other things left over from your turkey and make a great gumbo, and it's something we do every year a couple days after Thanksgiving. So watch the playlist, get yourself ready, and have a great Thanksgiving. All right, Steph, let's go to the store. We got to get our stuff.